a straight light. It doesn't have like those little individual lights. This is like ASMR.
This is what you read. This is what you supply stuff. It makes sense to me.
Yeah. I think this here.
I want to show you something cool.
Yeah, there you go.
I think she's a Garkamana. Well, what does that mean? It's literally the size of your dog's twice.
It looks like everything have come loose on the way over here. So this comes loose, and then this is rubber.
Oh, so you can fix it.
Well, you gotta fix it, but this rubber absorbs the vibration from the brush being on hard floor and keeps this brush from killing itself.
Oh, that's good.
So you can see that it's got a drive there, kind of. So yeah, that just goes in there, and then this is, I think, a cartridge bearing in here.
It's a little SIBO like.
Well, it's very much, yeah, it's got a cartridge bearing there. It's coming off. But yeah, I think it's a better design, and the light, like I mean, I can see buying this over a Dyson, especially since it stands up.
Yeah, I like to stand up a little bit better.
And I think just like the Miele H1, you can configure it to be how you want
so you
it.
can do like that.
And the genius part of this, the genius part of this,
you
is
can
that the electronics on that not only can power the brush, but they also can double up as the switch control.
Ooh.
They go right here. So even though they use the same fitting, there's the switch control.
Oh wow.
And then you can throw it off balance just like a Dyson.
Do that.
Feel that.
The other one is better.
So yeah, why nobody else has done this sort of thing is so beyond me. So I was so excited when I saw this at the BDT. I was so disappointed. Almost made me cry when I was like, it was underpowered. Gosh.